Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Hyundai Elantra's AC system. First, locate the low-pressure service port, usually on the passenger side near the firewall. Remove the cap and attach the quick connect fitting from your refrigerant can. Ensure it's securely fastened to prevent leaks. Then, start your engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. This prepares the system for refrigerant intake. With the engine running and AC on full, gently shake the refrigerant can. Slowly press the trigger to release the refrigerant into the system. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge attached to the can. It will show you the current pressure. Add refrigerant until the gauge indicates the correct pressure range for your vehicle, typically found in your owner's manual or on a sticker under the hood. Avoid overfilling, as this can damage the system. Once you've added the refrigerant, disconnect the can and replace the service port cap. Now, check the air coming from your vents. It should be noticeably colder and consistent. Listen for the AC compressor engaging and disengaging smoothly. If the air isn't cold enough, or if you suspect a leak, consider using an AC leak detection kit. This helps pinpoint any issues before they become larger problems. To keep your AC running efficiently, regularly inspect the hoses for any visible cracks or signs of wear. Replacing your cabin air filter every 12 to 15,000 miles also significantly improves air quality and system performance. Remember, a well-maintained AC system provides comfort and lasts longer. A book can truly change how you think about money, offering valuable insights. Check the description below for a link to this book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.